I'm going to wake Rosie up with an air horn. Ha 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 ha.
Classic Caillou, why the heck did you wake me up with an air horn in the middle of the night?
Well, I just woke up in the middle of the night, so I decided to get an air horn and blow it on you cause I thought it was so hilarious.
Well, guess what? It was not so funny at all. Now you just ruined my sleep. And because of that, I'm going to tell Mom and Dad about this. Hey Mom and Dad, get over here now.
Hey Rosie, what's wrong? It's 1 in the morning.
Well Mom and Dad, you can't believe this, but Classic Caillou woke me up in the middle of the night by blowing an air horn towards me.
Oh my god. Classic Caillou, how dare you wake up Rosie with an air horn? You know that it's rude to do that at all. And now her sleep is ruined thanks to you.
That's it. You are grounded for 1 day. Go to your room right now and go to sleep.
Oh come on, it was meant to be a prank. Wah